You good? Hey. Hi, can you look after the playground while I go and snuggle on Nan?
Hey?
Lewis, come on.
She works for Marie Claire, you know. She's their top writer.
The trouble with lies is that they have a nasty tendency of coming back and biting you. And I'm not the only one being bitten.
Yesterday you said I should show her the letter. And I told you that if she saw it could destroy our relationship. And now this. Me and you are falling out big time. Okay? So, delete. I'm watching you.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yes.
Happy birthday!
Oh, Rachel, man.
Oh, you rock god.
Cheers, Sandy.
Happy birthday, Lewis, you knobhead!
Cheers, guys. No, it's great to have your mates around you because we'll always remember times like these, wherever life takes us all. Come on.
Have a good night. Okay. Jerome, what are you doing here?
Well, you won't reply to my letters. What else could I do?
What do you mean? What letters? What's a girl to do?
Deal?
God, I've got to get out of here.